If you're looking to get a new swimsuit this summer season, there are some options that are good for the environment.
Yeah, one of the creators that is making a splash in renewable swimwear is Shay Beck, who is the founder of Something Sunny. That's a great title. So Tess is joining us with more on some of the products they offer. Hey, Tess.
Hey, good morning. That's right. With Earth Day coming up, of course, this Saturday, we wanted to focus on some of the things that really hope to make our planet a little better. And one of them is by using recycled water bottle. What if I told you it took 12 of these to make a pair of swim trunks? Well, that's exactly what has happened with Swimwear Sunny. Brand new, officially launching this Saturday. Shay is the mastermind behind it. This is really exciting. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you so much.
So what's the concept here? How did you even figure out, like, we can do this and it'll make this?
Yeah, so it was a lot of research over the last 18 months, really spearheaded by the fact that I created and sold a sunglasses brand and learned of all the impacts that small business decisions can make.
Okay.
Really has a ripple effect into the bigger global issues. So just knowing that there is an abundance of recycled materials that can be used in premium products is just really important to know and take that and spin it into what you see here.
I love it. And we're looking at the different products, not just using water bottles for swim trunks, but a pair of these pants. It takes 19, which isn't that much more either, but also saves the environment.
Yeah,
right?
the joggers right here that I have on, that you see there, water resistant, super lightweight, so perfect for hiking and all summer long. Takes 19 recycled water bottles, and then the pockets are actually made from leftover material from our bamboo hoodies.
That is amazing. So the hoodies, the shirts and the t-shirts that the guys are wearing along with these hats, you're going to see some of our models right now, are made from bamboo, from hemp. What is the impact that you hope this makes at the end of the day? Like, what are we taking away from landfills? How are we making that difference?
Yeah, so tons and tons, literal tons of plastic being removed from the ocean to create polyester fibers. The biggest impact is cleaning up the ocean. And then on the bamboo side of it is just being cognizant of your materials that you're using, that you can use fabric or use materials to create fabric without needing water to harvest or grow.
Okay, and we're looking at some of the models right now back here live, and they all said they were very comfortable. I was asking them about it. The fit is great. They liked underneath that it wasn't that netting that many men's swimsuits seem to have. You went above and beyond and looked at something else.
Exactly. So being in Arizona, I wanted to create something you can wear all day, every day, all year round. So a comfortable boxer brief liner, which is also recycled, is on every pair of swim trunks.
That is so cool.
Yeah, and then the material is all super soft to be worn to bed if you want to.
That is so cool. Well, by the way, another cool thing, you might notice the model there that was in the green shorts. He's from The Bachelorette. It's been a few years, from 2013, but Drew Kenny, season 9. So that's exciting that he's a local, and so he models part-time. That is an actor as well.
He's been a great help.
So at the end of the day, you're launching on Saturday. You've done like a little preview. It is available right now.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, come to somewheresunny.com or go on Amazon and search for Swimwear Sunny swimming trunks, and you'll find us. Everything is available. But the grand opening is on April 22nd, and if you follow us at Somewhere Sunny, without the vowels, on Instagram, you can sign up to win one of 4 gift cards.
Oh, they're doing something fun for the launch on Saturday. And just a reminder, also, one more thing, you've also made it that there is also sun protection, that factor in these things.
100%. So this hoodie I have on is lightweight and perfect for all activities, but it also protects the sun. UPF 50, which is like SPF 50, but never runs out, so it's better than sunscreen.
Fantastic. It's in all the shorts, the hats as well. So, Shay, congratulations.
Thank you.
So exciting. Again, it's called Swimwear Sunny, and they're working on the women's line, Olivia. So, guys, you're taken care of. They have all these great prints. I wish I could explain, like if you had touch-o-vision or anything like that, because the feel, it's a really well-made product. It feels really comfortable. It's almost silky. It's just a really nice touch, and it's very lightweight. And since we live in a place where it is always sunny, Swimwear Sunny is the right fit for you as you are looking for ways to reduce the impact on our Earth. Guys, back to you.
They must not be getting in that water because the water is still cold.
Right. Well, you want to show off the clothes.
Does anybody want to jump in? They want to know if you want to jump in. at them looking at me like, oh,
no.
really, lady? Really?